see
Here
only
comes
the
the letter
bottom,
C.
okay? By the glue. Okay?
C is for cat. K,
Then what do we have?
C is for
C
cake.
for cake.
K,
Then
cake.
this is cake, okay? Cake. When you say cupcake, yeah. It has to be by the scissors like this, small pieces. Then you have to stitch it. You have to rub each other, okay? So group number one, line one, come here. Come this
C
line.
is for clean. K, clean. C is for clever. K, clever. C is for clock. K, clock. C is for cupboard. K, cupboard. C is for chair. Chair. C is for children. Children. C is for cheese. Cheese. C is for chicken. Chicken. C is for cat. Cat. C is for cake. Cake. C is for car. Car. C is for cap. Cap.